pumpkin seed recipe that supposedly helps with weight loss. You've probably seen ads on social media promising that drinking pumpkin seed tea before bed can make you lose weight. But here's the thing, the whole thing looks really sketchy. When you look closer, there are a lot of warning signs. The page is full of dramatic before and after stories and talks about scientific breakthroughs that don't check out. And who exactly is Dr. Emma Clark? Claims to have over 12 years in functional weight loss, but you can't find any real proof or a legit online presence for her. The recipe they hype up never actually shows up. Instead, they try to push this expensive supplement called Gut Drops that costs around $70 a bottle. There's no ingredient list, no real company info, just a sketchy email and phone number. They even falsely claim the product is FDA approved, which is a red flag because the FDA doesn't approve supplements like that. They name-drop big institutions like Harvard and a medical journal, but none of them actually endorse this product. They also fake celebrity endorsements with photos that have nothing to do with the product, and the testimonials look super suspicious. Vague claims and polished pictures that are probably stock photos or AI generated. They even mention a book called Fat Burning Secrets, supposedly by Dr. Clark, but there's no author name on the cover. It all just feels like a recycled scam with the same old lies and manipulative marketing tricks. So, don't trust random websites or ads claiming doctor approved or clinically proven without doing your homework. It's always better to research carefully and talk to real healthcare professionals when it comes to weight loss.